everyone, welcome to Inosphere Digital YouTube channel. Myself Komal Ashne, and with this we are starting a new video series on SEO Basics 2022. Before going further, let me tell you that SEO is not a magical formula. If you think SEO can give you immediate online presence and profitability to your business, then I must say you will be disappointed. SEO will definitely give you results and fruitful results, but it will take time. So it will be helpful for your business growth as well as your sales and profits. As a normal people think that SEO is only about link building or keyword stuffing, but I must say you are wrong. No, it's not about only that, but it's more than that. So before going further, let me tell you what is SEO. SEO is an acronym for Search Engine Optimization. So it's a process of improving your business online presence on search engines and search platforms, through which you can get organic traffic as well as which can help you to boost your sales and profits for your business. Think about your own habit. When you search something online or on Google, what do? You just scroll down to top 4 results, top 3 results, and you will make your decision. You will not go to any other pages or any more pages on Google, because it's a human habit to see the first top 3 results and you will make your decision. So here comes that SEO that plays an important role. So what are the different ways to perform SEO? So it is content optimization, link building, keyword optimization, and website optimization. So you must be asking me one question: does SEO really work or SEO dead now? To answer this, the best answer will be that SEO is changing and evolving, but it's not necessarily dead. With the recent updates of Google and search algorithms like BERT, Page Experience, July 2021, Google is now focusing on user and mobile experience more. Of course, the days of keyword stuffing are over now. That stated, it's all about now user and quality of content. Not necessarily length of the content or keyword per se, but it's all about now user and how useful content you are providing to your users. Keyword still plays an important role, and it will be in the future SEO as well. So the main focus of your SEO should be now content distribution, link building, and keyword optimization. So yes, SEO really does work. It can bring you a great organic traffic and a great users to will convert into your sales. So SEO is evolving, and it's based on frequently changing algorithm of Google that give the user the best results they want. So the next topic in this video is, how does SEO work? Suppose you have written on Google on search engines like buy black shoes near me. So what will Google do? Google will go through its database and give the best result that matches this user queries. So who will be on the top and who will be on the bottom? That will be decided by SEO. So what are the points to be focused in SEO 2022? UI user experience, no more keyword stuffing, content quality over quantity, prioritization of mobile, and core web vitals. So now you must be asking me, how long does it take? Many SEO firms will tell you that it may take 4 to 6 months, but I must say they are just bluffing. SEO really does work, but it will take time, and it takes its own time, and it totally depending on your niche and the type of business you have. It may give you results within 6 months, or it may also give you results within 12 months also. But I am sure that it will give results that you will getting on within 12 months. It will be a good, and it will bring a profitable amount into your business. So what are the techniques to be focused in SEO 2022? The most recent and the newest update for the Google is Core Web Vitals, and that must be followed and used. It's based on the page responsiveness and loading speed and visual stability. So that must be a tick-on factor to be checked for your SEO 2020. Second comes the Google BERT algorithm, and that comes under natural language processing, how Google can naturally process your web pages and give the user the best results they want. The third in this is the keyword research. Keyword research was important and it will be important throughout the SEO. So focusing and finding a good keyword that matches your business is a must and a must in SEO 2022. So the fourth point is original content. So content is a king and will always be a king. And it should be original and beneficial, and it should be a flag-free content. And this is the focus of Google in 2022. Fifth point is voice search. Voice search is a new technology and it's gaining a popularity for over the years. So your website should be compatible with voice search. The sixth point will be artificial intelligence. Everything now is based on AI and machine learning. So if your website is not compatible with AI, then you must be lagging behind. Seventh point in this is video marketing. So video making and video marketing is always the factor for business growth, and video making like this one will definitely help you your business growth. Now the eighth point is featured snippets. If you know about snippets, then your focus should be on bringing your websites on a featured snippets, and it definitely give you a good results. Ninth point is in this is influencer SEO. So as you know that there are many influencers, and targeting them at the right time and in the right place definitely help your business to get a sales and a business growth. Last in this is the EAT and branded SEO. EAT is always the basic of SEO, and it from the past years its main focus on expertise, authoritativeness and trustworthiness. SEO is focusing on EAT for past years, and it will be remaining for ongoing years. So that's all for this video. Watch this space for more such videos on SEO. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and found helpful, do give a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more such updates on such videos. Thank you.